Yakhni Pulao is a traditional and flavorful rice dish that originated in the Indian subcontinent, particularly popular in Pakistan and North India. The word yakhni refers to a fragrant meat broth, usually made by simmering meat, chicken, beef, or mutton, with whole spices, onions, garlic, and ginger. This rich broth is then used to cook rice, resulting in a mildly spiced but deeply aromatic pulao. Here's what makes Yakhni Pulao special. Origin: South Asian cuisine, especially Pakistani and North Indian. Main ingredients: basmati rice, meat, often chicken or beef, whole spices, onions, garlic, ginger. Flavor profile: subtle, aromatic, savory, less spicy than biryani. Main ingredients: basmati rice, meat, often chicken or beef, whole spices, onions, garlic, ginger. Flavor profile: subtle, aromatic, savory, less spicy than biryani. Texture: light, fluffy rice infused with the flavor of spiced meat broth. Occasions: commonly served at gatherings, family dinners, and special events like Eid or weddings.